In this problem, we're looking at adding rational expressions that do not have like denominators. So first we have to find the LCD. Do they have a common denominator? No. X minus 2 is not x plus 3. So we'll write out the LCD of x minus 3 or x minus 2 and x plus 3. When they're binomials and they don't share any common factors, then the LCD is just going to be the multiplication of the two. So the LCD is going to be x minus 2 times x plus 3. So we literally just multiply each one, the numerator and denominator, by what the other denominator is. In other words, we'll have 2 over x minus 2 times x plus 3 over x plus 3 plus 5 over x plus 3 times x minus 2 over x minus 2. And then that gives us 2 times x plus 3 over x minus 2 times x plus 3 plus 5 times x minus 2 over x minus 2 times x plus 3. We multiply through, we get 2x plus 6. We have them over the least common denominator, so we can just go ahead and put these all in one numerator, plus 5x minus 10. And if it was subtraction, we'd go ahead and wait, because then we could make sure we apply the subtraction to all terms that result when we multiply through. But in this case, it's addition, so we can just go ahead and write them in the same numerator. And again, that's over the LCD of x minus 2 times x plus 3. And then combining like terms, we get 2x plus 5x is 7x. 6 minus 10 is minus 4. And that's all over x minus 2 times x plus 3. And again, we should note x can't equal 2 and x can't equal negative 3, because if it did, then we would end up with a denominator of 0 in one or the other of the original rational expressions. So again, we look to see, are they above a least common denominator, or are they above a common denominator? No, they're not. So when it's just a binomial, we multiply the numerator and denominator by the denominator of the other rational expression to obtain the least common denominator for each. And we just multiply the two binomials to get the least common denominator. If it's more complicated, we can write out the chart like we did before. But in this case, if it's a binomial and it's not factorable, we can literally just multiply the two denominators to get the least common denominator. Then once we have the least common denominator, we multiply through in the numerators and combine like terms, and that gives us our final solution for the addition.